Hey everyone, welcome to Colorido's channel. Today, we are going to talk about 360 seamless digital printing technology. It can make the printing seamless, and the pattern is beautiful and unique. Want to know what it is? Come and learn with me. What is 360 seamless digital printing technology? 360-degree seamless digital printing technology is an advanced digital printing technology that is mainly used for precise and full coverage pattern design on fabrics. This technology can achieve 360-degree seamless printing on fabrics so that the pattern has no seams or discontinuities on the entire surface, which is very important for some garments that require complete patterns, such as socks, seamless underwear, and yoga wear. What are the advantages of seamless digital printing? Pattern continuity solves the problem of discontinuous patterns and messy threads caused by seams in traditional jacquard technology. Flexible design can achieve complex and diverse pattern designs to meet the needs of personalization and customization. Efficient production. Digital inkjet technology can quickly produce a large number of products, saving time and cost compared to traditional processes. No need to make pattern plates. Eliminates the tedious steps of making pattern plates in traditional printing. Wide color gamut provides a wide color gamut selection to meet diverse design needs. How does seamless digital printing technology ensure the clarity and consistency of patterns in sock printers? High-precision print heads. Sock printers are usually equipped with high-precision print heads that can accurately spray ink on textiles. The print heads have a high resolution, making the printed patterns rich in details and sharp edges. Advanced dyes and inks. Specially developed dyes and inks are used to ensure high-quality color performance on socks of different materials. These inks usually have high tinting strength and wash resistance, ensuring long-term clarity and consistency of the pattern. Automated calibration system. The printer is able to adjust any deviations in the printing process in real time. This includes precise control of print position, ink usage, and color concentration to ensure that the final product is consistent with the design. Rotating print platform. The socks are mounted on a drum so that the print head can print the complete pattern without moving the socks. During the printing process, the rotation of the drum and the movement of the print head are precisely synchronized to ensure seamless connection of the pattern. Thank you for watching our video. Through this introduction, we hope you have a deeper understanding of 360 seamless digital printing technology. This technology not only eliminates the seam problem in traditional printing, but also improves the beauty and comfort of the product. Our sock printer uses this advanced technology to make each pair of socks show a distinct and unique pattern to meet the needs of personalized customization. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with friends who are interested in this technology. Looking forward to seeing you in the next video.